Hello, excuse me. Hello, everyone. Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the Trade of the Day. Good to take a look at PLBY here, PLBY. Of course, if you're not familiar with what happened, they did an IPO back in, what was it, back in almost a year ago, February of last year. Tremendous IPO, really. I mean, they IPO'd around that 14 level, got all the way up to 64, and it's fallen on hard times like many other stocks. But the AI today looked at it and said, you know what? We think you should short this right here at 1955. Now it has popped up here, but it did get down. That's a dollar move for a $19 stock. I think at one point that was about a 6 or 7% move, and it's popped back up a little bit. But I'd be watching this one to see if it takes out this level later on in the day. Again, the AI to me is something that to be followed all day long. You don't have to, you don't have to be desperate to get in right at the time of the alert. You can always wait to see how it's trading. Even here, I mean, the alert was at 1955. So the high of that candle right there was 1950. You could have waited. You could have waited, right around here. This is the candle in which the alert happened on the 15-minute chart. You could have waited a bit to see how was it trading. And then, if you liked what you saw, you could say, okay, yeah, I'll take this short. Now, it had this pop up here. That probably would have got you out of some of it. But anyway, we'll see what happens later on with PBY. There was another one. AMC was another excellent short. I mean, the market is putting a little bit of a pop, so consequently, some of these are moving. But another excellent short, 1878. But you could have waited. Here was the alert. Now, it had a pop up. You could have waited until it took out that 1878 again. And look, I mean, it rode it all the way down to almost 18. These are really, really good percentage moves, okay? So, use the AI like a watch list, just because even if it gets stopped out or takes profit on a trade, you can keep following it all day long. And, sometimes there's little areas in which you can either get back into a trade. You can get back into a trade. All right, I want to get back into our trading room. Again, our trading room is free, so come on in. Actually, I've got to change this. The room is actually open from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That's when I'll open it tomorrow at 8 a.m. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.